In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete navigation history on Waze in 2025. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, this guide will walk you through the process of clearing your navigation history efficiently. So let's dive right in. Start by opening the Waze app on your smartphone. If it's your first time using this feature, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Once the app is open, you'll want to head to the search screen. For those of you using an iPhone, this means tapping on the magnifying glass located at the bottom of the screen. Android users will need to tap directly on the search bar. This will bring up a list of your most recent destinations. Here, take a moment to look through the list under the Recent section. You might be surprised at the number of places that show up. Now, identify the destination you want to remove. If you're on an iPhone, the next step is to swipe left on that specific item. Once the option appears, simply tap on Delete to remove the entry. Android users, on the other hand, should tap and hold the item until the Remove option comes up. Then you just need to tap on Remove. It's that simple, but remember, deleting your navigation history requires repeating these steps for each specific location you wish to clear. Just go through your list and decide which entries you no longer need, following the same process for each one. These steps are straightforward, but here are a couple of tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, ensure your Waze app is updated to the latest version. Updates often resolve bugs that occur with previous versions, and they include improved features and security enhancements as well. Additionally, sometimes simply closing and reopening the app can help if you're experiencing any issues. So there you have it. Cleaning up your navigation history on Waze is not only about decluttering your app, but also ensures that only relevant and recent data is stored. This guide makes the process simple and straightforward whether you're on an iPhone or Android device. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips just like this one. Have a great day, and safe travels with Waze.